Takeoff is good prices. Takeoff? What about Mega? Mega expensive?
What you get on
oh, they give you? Because Omega's like sponsored, right? By Olympic.
No, they don't give you Omega. They give you phone. It used to be like Samsung phone.
Samsung phone.
Omega, yeah, you can get that one. Omega. Your parents will let you buy. Oh, soon faster. Get a commercial for Omega for Taiwan. Possible. You see Siobhan, all this Hong Kong, whoever, girls, they have better looking and in Hong Kong, they are like, have so many,
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we can have your attention for just a moment. We'll inquire on the safety features of the Boeing 737-700. There's a safety card in the seat pocket in front of you. Feel free to pull it out and follow along.
Bang, Chanel, all these
To fasten your seatbelt, slide the flatten into the buckle. Pull the loose strap to tighten. To release, lift up on the buckle. Position your seatbelt tight, lower across your hips, and wear them whenever you are seated. There's 6 emergency exits on board, 2 forward exits, 2 overwing window exits, 2 exits in the back. Signs overhead, lights on the floor will lead you to all 6 exits. If an evacuation is necessary, please leave everything and follow all flight attendant commands. In the event of a water evacuation, use the life vest underneath your seat. Remove the vest only if told to do so. Pull the red strap to open the container and remove the pouch. Place the vest over your head. Wrap the black strap around your waist. Buckle it in the front and pull the loose strap to tighten. To inflate, pull down on the red tab at your waist, or to manually inflate, fall into the red tube at your shoulder. There's a light on the other side of the vest that activates once it hits the water. More information about the use of infant life vests can be found on the safety card. Flight attendants will distribute those if needed. We also have 3 life rafts on board, 1 in the front, 2 mid-cabin. More information about the life rafts are also on the safety card. Recommend by now to make sure your seatbelt's fastened. Seatback tray tables are open, locked, carry-overs are stowed, large laptops are powered down, and everything else is now in airplane mode. As always, smoking is not allowed on board. This does include e-cigarettes, and this does include in the lavatories. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying smoke detectors in the aircraft lavatories. Federal regulation also requiring passenger compliance with lighted signs, posted placards, and crew members' instructions. This does include information about seatbelts, smoking, and the alcohol regulation. As always, it is illegal to consume your own alcohol on board the aircraft.
Crossbody, purse, and yeah, just slipping under there with your little bag, just for takeoff and landing.
Alright, and lastly, if needed, pour oxygen mask or drop from the compartment over your head. To activate the flow of oxygen, pull down on the mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, secure with the elastic straps, and breathe normally. Although the plastic bag may not inflate, oxygen will be flowing. Continue to wear the mask until otherwise notified by a crew member. If you're traveling with children or anyone needing special assistance, please put your mask on first. Thanks again for your attention. Please sit back, relax, enjoy the very quick 1 hour, 4-minute flight to Orange County.